Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, very good morning. How are you, sir?
Hi, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine also. Actually, I can't uh, from sleep. I was sleeping. I rise too late today. Okay, so now let's start our session. Who will share first? Who will share first? You or me? You can share.
Give me permission first.
Yes.
Thanks for giving me.
Okay. Let me share my screen.
Please give me a chance.
Okay. You can see here our today's 13th session, SDG Goal Nong 6, clean water and sanitization. And first one is about our season, which are the cold, hot months in our country. And we should describe the weather according to season in our country, and which is our favorite or least seasons, and what's the weather like today in our country. Is it cold? Is it extreme weather common in our country? Does your country experience snow, hurricanes, tornadoes, etc.? Have you ever experienced a natural disaster? These are our first topic points. And the second point, we have to discuss about clean water and sanitization. So let me go through my presentation. Let me check whether my working or not. Yes. Okay. Session Nong 13, SDG Goal Nong 6, clean water and sanitization. This is international experience among India and Bangladesh. And this is me, Mizanur Rahman. No need to tell you, but I have to tell for my viewers, those who are watching our session from Facebook group. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Head Teacher, Ganoddo Girls High School and College, Laksham, Kumilla. And this is my contact details. And our today's session is session 13, clean water and sanitization. So first I would like to show you, is Bangladesh hot or cold? Is Bangladesh hot or cold? I am telling about my country. You can see here some pictures. You can see here 6 pictures, 6 different pictures. There are 3 distinct seasons in Bangladesh, like India. A hot, humid summer from March to June. Humid. It's hot season. It started from March and ended at June. A cool, rainy monsoon season from June to October. And a cool, dry winter from October to March. In general, maximum summer temperature range between 30 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees Celsius to and 40 degrees Celsius. April is warmest month in most parts of the country. In April, our country is very much warmest. You can see a 6 picture. You know, there are
Yes.
6 seasons. There are 6 seasons, but characteristically, there are 3 seasons: hot, cool, and hot, rainy, and cool.
Yes, yes.
How cold does Bangladesh get in winter? During winter, from December to February, the north wind can sometimes bring cold temperature at night around 3 or 6 degrees Celsius, like 37 or 43 degree Fahrenheit in the north, and around 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degree Fahrenheit in the center, south, and in Dhaka. In February, the temperature begins to rise, and by March, it begins to get really hot. And January is the coldest month of our country. You know, January, there is very cold. You can see here foggy environment. The two older peoples are working, and this is foggy environment. But in Bangladesh, there is no any snow, but we see only fog.
Yes.
Okay, now I'd like to see you. Does Bangladesh get cold? Bangladesh has a subtropical monsoon climate characterized by wide seasonal varieties in rainfall, high temperatures, and humidity. January is the coldest month, when the average temperature for most of the country is about 10 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
And what months are summer in Bangladesh? Summer, in Bangla, we call it Grishma, Grisha. Comprise Boishak and Joshtha. In Bangla, Boishak and Joshtha. And mid-April to mid-June. It starts mid-April to mid-June. Summer starts. The 2 Bangla calendar months when days are hot and dry. But the influence of summer is usually felt from mid-March.
Yes.
You know, it starts from mid-March. Now, which is the hottest place in Bangladesh? You can see here our paddy fields. The soil, the condition of soil, you can see this is the cause of summer. Chuadanga, a place in our country, Chuadanga, recorded a temperature of 41.5 degrees last April. It's too hot for us. But this district recorded 41.6 degrees on Wednesday, the highest in the current season. The highest temperature Bangladesh experience was on May 18, 1972 in Rajshahi, 45.1 degrees. Okay. Now, I'd like to tell you the total season of our country. How many seasons in our country? You can see here the picture summer. You can see the condition of the soil. Summer, monsoon. Monsoon means rainy season. Then autumn,
Yes.
late autumn, winter, and spring.
Yes.
Though the climate of Bangladesh is mainly subtropical monsoon, for example, warm and humid, Bangla calendar year is traditionally divided into 6 seasons. You can see spring, that means Basanta Ritu.
Yes.
Then summer,
Yes. Yes.
Grishma Ritu, monsoon, Barsha Ritu, autumn, that means Sharad,
Sharad.
and
Sharad.
winter,
Yes.
that means Hemant, and winter means or Shit Ritu.
These are the same rules or season in India also, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay. Then I'd like to describe you about spring season. The spring,
Yes.
Basanta, the last of the seasons occurs between winter and summer. Spreads
Yes.
over the Bangla month Falgun and Chaitra, mid-February to mid-April. The spring season is very brief in Bangladesh and practically prevails during March only. Only March prevails, but
Yes.
Basanta Ritu. You can see at the picture of spring. In this season, the bird cuckoo sings sweetly. The flowers bloom in the garden. And now I'd like to show you summer, Grisha, in Bangladesh. There are three distinct seasons in Bangladesh. A hot humid summer from March to June, cool, rainy. I think this was written in before. In general, maximum summer temperature range between 30 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. And April is the warmest month in most parts of the country. You can see here the summer. Monsoon. The climate of Bangladesh is characterized by a cool dry season from mid-November through February, pre-monsoon hot season from March through May. The rainy summer monsoon season from June through mid-October, and short and mid-autumn season from mid-October to mid-November. You can see here the rainy season. That means the monsoon.
Yes.
And autumn season. Monsoon season traditionally spreads from mid-June to mid-August and brings with it up to 85% of the year's total rainfall. A gradual decrease in temperature and humidity characterized autumn from mid-August to mid-October.
Yes.
Things get even cooler from mid-October to mid-December during late autumn. This is Hemanta. In Bangla, we call it Hemanta. And
Yes.
sorry, this is Sharad. And pre-winter is called Hemanta. This is pre-winter season. Actually,
Yes, sir.
Bangladesh has three distinct seasons. The pre-monsoon rainy season, less from June to October, and cool dry winter season from November through February. This is pre-winter season. You can see the picture. Winter season and cool dry winter season from November through February. Same text are written every. I have some mistake every slide. Okay, you can see here the picture of winter season in Bangladesh.
Yes.
Which is my favorite season. You know, winter is my favorite season. The winter season is my favorite because it has week full of festivities and we got our vacations at that time. Our school closed for a vacation of 2 weeks or for Christmas and New Year. In the winter season, people put on warm clothes and woolens to save themselves from the severe cold. You can see various type of cakes are made by our women in this time, and we collect date juice. Date juice. Do you know date juice? Do you familiar with date juice?
I am familiar with the dates. I don't know about this.
Juice means a kind of water we collect from date trees. This is date.
Yes, yes.
Very much sweet, very much sweetest.
The flower like the coconut tree, sir. Of that tree.
Yes, like coconut trees, but they are spiked.
Yes.
Yes. And what is the most loved season? In spring, the weather usually turns warmer. Trees begin to grow their leaves, plants start to flower, and young animals such as chicks and lambs are born. In summer, the weather is usually warm. Okay, I have written 2 times. And you can see the picture of Basanta. And our
Yes.
we have a festival in this season, Basanta Baran.
Yes.
Okay. What's the weather like today in our country? You can see here the weather of our country today, and we can see it from our mobile apps, or from our. I'd like to show you from here. You can see here our today's weather. 81. We are having trouble putting it. You can see from our computer and also from our mobile phone, by Microsoft apps or Google apps. It's buffering. Okay, I think you also familiar with
Yes. Yes.
this site, so no need to explain. Just I just going to my another slide. And what kind of weather in Bangladesh? Climate. Bangladesh has a tropical monsoon climate characterized by wide seasonal varieties in rainfall, high temperature, and high humidity. Regional climate difference in this flat country are minor. Does Bangladesh have snow? Although the north of Bangladesh is much colder than other parts of the country, the temperature never gets sub-zero, dispelling the possibility of snowfall. Temperature doesn't get low enough for snowfall to occur in Bangladesh. So there is no snowfall in Bangladesh. In your country, I think there is snowfall.
In Jammu Kashmir state, sir.
Yes. And Bangladesh have hurricanes. Yes. A total of 133 tropical cyclones hit the coast of Bangladesh from 1877 to 2001, of which 42 are tropical depressions, 57 are tropical storms, and 34 reached hurricanes intensity. The rate of tropical cyclones which hit the coast per 10 years in the last country 1900 to 2001 is 10.6 figure 2, which is the rate of 1.06 per year. You can see here the scenario of hurricane.
Yes.
Are tornadoes common in Bangladesh? You can see here a picture of destroying our rural area. Tornadoes in Bangladesh are most common during the transition to the wet monsoon in the spring. The country's peak months for tornadoes is April, though its tornado season runs from March to May, according to Bangladesh tornadoes.org. This is a website. Okay. Then are natural disasters common in Bangladesh? You can see here the geographical location, land characteristic, multiplicity of rivers, and the monsoon climate render Bangladesh highly vulnerable to natural hazards. Bangladesh suffer from floods, cyclones, storm surge, riverbank erosion, earthquake, drought, salinity, intrusion, fire, and tsunami. You can see here the picture of a natural disaster. And this is the end of my first point. Now I'd like to request you to share your
Yes.
activity.
Very nice information you have shared with sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for me to give my sharing my screen. Once again, I would like to welcome in 13th session, SDG number 6, clean water and sanitization. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, yes. It's clear to me.
Weather and seasons of India.
Yes, yes.
Now, let's tell information of India's weather. Most of India has a tropical climate with three main seasons. October to March, it's cool. The temperature is between 24 to 25 Celsius and dry.
Yes.
April is hot. The temperature is between 28 to 31 degrees Celsius and dry.
Right. Yes.
Then June to
September.
September is hot. That is the monsoon season. During the monsoon season, India experiences very strong winds and very heavy rainfall.
Yes.
Now we can see on the screen
Yes.
hot weather and cold weather months. The season starts from March and continues up to June.
Right.
Cold weather season begins from mid-November in northern India and stays till February.
February. Yes.
Temperature ranges 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. The
Yes.
colds with temperature range northern India 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, southern India 24 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
The
Yes.
next topic is Loo in Rajasthan in cold weather, western disturbances in northern India.
Yes. Yes.
The monsoon June to September.
Yes.
Then the next season, winter. It comes October to January.
January. Yes.
Third
Same.
season is summer. February to May.
Yes. Same. Same. Same.
My favorite season is, I also tell you that my favorite season is winter because everywhere there is cold temperature and I like cold.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I like season, yes. Now I would like to share natural disasters of India.
Yes.
Disaster types. In the first column, there are different years and origin. First disaster in India is earthquake in 2001 in Gujarat state.
Yes.
Then in 1999 in Chamoli.
January.
Second thing is cyclones in 2012. Its
Tamil
origin
Nadu.
is then cyclone also comes in 2011 Tamil Nadu, 2010 in Andhra Pradesh, 2009 in West Bengal, 1999 in Orissa. Then
Yes.
the next disaster is tsunami, 2004.
Indian Ocean.
Its origin is Indian Ocean. Then the next disaster is floods, 2007 and 2005, Bihar and Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Then
Yes.
the next disaster, cloud burst, 2014 and 2013. In 2014, Jammu and Kashmir, and 2013 in Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
And the last disaster is landslides in 2014 in Malin, in Pune, In
Kunal.
1998, Malpa Mansarovar Yatra. These are the origin of landslides.
Yes.
Natural disaster risk in India.
Yes.
India, the second most populated country in the world, is highly exposed to natural disasters due to its geographical location,
Yes.
seismic risk zone, and intertropical convergence point. The Indian subcontinent also faces recurring atmospheric phenomena, heavy
Yes.
monsoon, floods,
Yes.
episodes of high heat, drought, etc.
Yes.
In addition, the high population density in risk areas further aggravates the situation. The number of human casualties continues to rise from 1,674 deaths in 2015 to 2,045 in 2019.
19. Yes. Yes. According to the report of
According to the report of the United Nations, the total number of people who died between 2000 and 2019 is 79,070.
732. Yes.
Yes. During the same period, India has reported 321 catastrophic events. It is the
Yes.
third country in the world in terms of the number of natural disasters behind China and the United States.
Yes.
According to the same report, India has suffered nearly 80 billion USD in economic losses in 20 years. Now I can show you the next PPT breakdown of natural disasters in India per type of event and nature of losses.
Yes.
You can see natural
Yes. Yes.
disasters. There are different natural disasters: floods, hurricanes, landslides, earthquakes, droughts.
Gods. Yes.
Lose 52%, 50%,
10%,
8%, 5%,
5%.
20%. Then human loss 63% in floods, in
Yes.
hurricanes 19%. There is human loss in landslides.
Yes.
Then 10% in earthquakes, droughts in 5%.
Yes.
Now I would like to give information about floods.
Yes.
Floods after China, India is the second country hardest hit by floods with no less than 17 of such events annually, affecting 345 million Indians.
Yes.
This courage, this courage has caused a significant number of casualties and major economic damage to infrastructure, property, livelihoods, and crops. Heavy monsoon rains in the eastern part of the country often cause the Brahmaputra River to overflow with disastrous consequences. According to the 2019 Global Climate Risk Index report, flood account for 52% of the total calamities affecting India, claiming 63% of the material damage and 32% of the human losses reported as natural disasters.
Yes. Yes.
On an annual average, 7,500 hectares are flooded
Pardon.
and
Yes.
1,600 lives are lost. Now you
Yes.
can see the picture of flood.
Yes.
It is
Yes.
very dangerous situation. Yes. Now the
Yes.
second natural disaster is earthquakes. The probability of an earthquake is high in India, with nearly 60% of the territory being classified as a moderate to severe seismic risk zone. According to the seismologist, the Himalayas, one of the regions most exposed to earthquakes, should one day suffer a mega shock caused by the pressure and The last earthquake to date occurred in 2015 with a magnitude of 7.8. Earthquake killed 9,000 people and injured more than 20,000 others. More than 6 lakh homes were also destroyed by the tremor. You can see the picture of earthquakes. Then the next disaster is cyclones. Located in the intertropical convergence zone, the Indian subcontinent
Yes.
is one of the regions most affected by cyclones. It accounts for nearly 10% of the world's tropical cyclones, the majority of which emerge
Over
over
the
the
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal and strike the east coast of India.
Yes.
On average, 6 to 8 depressions from each year. Two
Or three of which turn into tropical.
or three of which turn into tropical cyclones. A major cyclone develops Afan. It devastated India and Bangladesh, killing 84 people and devastating the coastal areas of both countries. It was
Yes.
the most powerful cyclone to hit the Bay of Bengal since the 1999 cyclone that killed 10,000 people in Odisha state northern east.
Yes. Yes.
Next disaster, heat waves and droughts. Extreme temperatures and resulting weather conditions signify affect the health of resident and agricultural sector with global warming. These episodes of intense heat more than 50 degrees are becoming increasingly frequent.
Yes.
According to the Indian authorities, in the last 4 years, the country has reported no less than 4,062 deaths caused by heat waves, which generally occur between March and June. The last event
Yes.
of this kind occurred in June 2019. For the past 20 years, India has also sustained the two most severe droughts in the world. They took place in 2002 and 2015 and affected 300 and 330 million Indians respectively.
Yes.
Despite the affordability of coverage and the intensity and frequency of natural events, the penetration rate of natural catastrophe insurance in India is almost nil, with less than 1% of the population contracting an insurance policy for this type of risk. For several years, the international national pool dedicated to natural disasters, a structure struggling to lose the life of day.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now, I would like to welcome you to second part of third session about clean water and sanitization. You can see the picture.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clean
Carry
water.
on. Carry on. Carry on. Yes, sir.
Clean water, while substantial progress has been made in increasing access to clean drinking water and sanitation. Billions of people, mostly in the rural areas, still lack these basic services.
Yes.
Worldwide, 1 in 3 people do not have access to safe drinking water. 2 out of 5 people do not have a basic hand washing facilities with soap and water, and more than 673 million people still practice open defecation.
Yes. Yes.
Now, the next PPT is about sanitization. The COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated by critical importance of sanitation and adequate access to clean water for preventing and containing diseases and hygiene save lives. According to the World Health Organization, hand washing is one of the most
Effective action we can take.
effective
Yes.
action you can take to reduce the spread of pathogens and prevent infections, including the COVID-19 virus. Yet, billions of people still lack safe water, sanitation, and funding is inadequate. Now, I would like to give information about Indian schemes. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is launched by our Indian Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji.
Yes.
Objective of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Public awareness will also be provided about the drawbacks to open defecation and promotion of lateral use for this. Dedicated ground staff will be required for proper sanitation.
Yes.
The mission will aim at changing people's attitudes,
Yes.
mindsets, and behaviors.
Yes.
Second objective is that to keep villages clean, solid and liquid waste management will be ensured through Gram Panchayats.
Yes. Yes.
Gram Panchayat means the head office of the village.
Yes. Yes. I know. Gram Panchayat. Yes.
To lay water pipelines in all villages, ensuring water supply to all households by 2019. This is the logo of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Swachh Bharat. Swachhata Hi Seva campaign launched 15th September 2017 by Union Government of India.
Yes.
Now I would like to tell the background of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan scheme. Prime
Yes.
Minister Narendra Modi has always been very eager to see India as a clean country. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 2nd October. Its predecessors were the Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan and before that the Total Sanitation Campaign.
Yes.
You can see the next scheme on the screen, free toilet scheme. Swachh Bharat mission brings about a sanitation revolution.
Yes. Yes.
For 5.8 lakhs villages, 529 districts, 25 states declared open catering. Then you can see in 38% in 2014 to over 94% at present.
Yes.
You
Yes.
can see over 9.17 crore toilet built at present.
Yes. Great.
Now I would like to next show the next screen, next scheme, Maharashtra Jeevan Pradhikaran. You can see all the information on this website. These are the picture. Means water purifying project is governed by Maharashtra.
Yes.
Then the next project is that River Joint Project.
Yes.
After nearly 40 years, India's first river project in Betwa to finally begin. Union Jal Shakti Minister Monday signed a tripartite agreement for the project with Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi. You can see the picture of that meeting, River Joint Project Zoom meeting.
Yes.
Indian respected Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to share my screen. Please continue.
Great. Thank you. And I have learned a lot about my friend country India. Now, I'd like to share my second part of my presentation. Okay. About clean water and sanitization. The goal is for ensuring availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. This is the goal of the this is the part of the goal. And what is goal of clean water, and sanitization. I'd like to say you even by 2030, improve water quality by reducing pollution, eliminating dumping, and minimizing village of hazards, chemicals, and materials, helping the proportion of undertreated wastewater and sustainability, increasing recycling and safe reuse globally. This is the goal of this is the definition by United Nations. Now you can see here which SDG promotes clean water and sanitization. SDG 6 focus on clean, accessible water for all. A sound is coming from background. Okay. The goal aims to address water, poor water quality, and is my sound clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please continue.
Okay. And inadequate sanitation globally. It promotes increased investments in water management and sanitation, and international cooperation and capacity building in this respect. You can see what is the targets of sanitization in Bangladesh. Bangladesh should ensure access to safe, adequate, and equitable water supply for target of improving water supply coverage to 100% both in urban and rural area. By 2020, percentage of population hand washing facility with water and soap, and designated by location, home, school, and health center.
Yes.
And current status, sorry, I will skip. Current status of clean water and sanitization in Bangladesh. However, you can see here the picture. Current rate of improved sanitation is 61%, growing at only 1.1%. The Bangladesh Rural Water Sanitation Project aims to provide hygiene, sanitation, and around 1.1 million people living in rural areas with high arsenic or saline infiltration. Does Bangladesh have clean water? Yes, Bangladesh has made significant progress regarding universal access to improved water sources, with more than 97% of the having access in 2013. But access to safe water is still not low at 34.6%. Now you can see here what is the common water distribution system in Bangladesh. Common water distribution system. Surface water is abundant. Sorry, surface water is abundant in wet in Bangladesh, and estimated 7,95,000 million cubic meter of surface water is discharged Gangas and Brahmaputra system.
Yes.
Downstream of the influence of the Gangas and the Brahmaputra. This is the equivalent to 5.52 meter deep water over a land area of square kilometer.
Yes.
Now, why is hygiene promotion important in water
Hygiene promotion important in water
program in Bangladesh? Another study in Bangladesh suggested that improved water and sanitation facilities reduce diarrhea
area
by 99%.
99%.
Then dysentery by 90%,
90%,
intestinal worms by 51%,
51%,
washing hands
hands
with soap or sterilizing hands without soap prior to preparation of food can reduce occurrence of
reduce
diarrhea
occurrence of diarrhea.
in children. What are the main source of water in Bangladesh?
Bangladesh.
See, the source of water in Bangladesh are surface water,
Surface water,
groundwater, and rainwater.
water and rainwater.
The Ganga Brahmaputra Mecca system discharges huge amount of surface water through Bangladesh. A part and enters into ground to from groundwater.
Into groundwater.
What are the types of sanitation?
Types of sanitation.
Basic sanitation,
Sanitation,
container-based sanitation.
container-based sanitation.
This sound is coming.
This sound is coming.
Community-led total sanitation, dry sanitation, ecological sanitation, emergency sanitation, environmental sanitation, improvement
Sanitation, environmental sanitation,
sanitation. How do we increase sanitation in my village?
Yes, sir.
Accelerated sanitation coverage in rural areas generate a push from the people to get facilities rather than accept the government to do it. Demanded promotion, focus on intensive education and awareness campaign to
this
ensure
campaign.
that people understand the need for safe sanitation.
The need for
Yes.
And what measures have been taken by the government to improve sanitation?
improve sanitation.
Yes.
The revised approach in the program titled Total Sanitation Campaign (TSC)
Across
emphasizes more on information,
sanitation campaign,
education,
TSC.
and
Yes.
communication, IEC, human resources development, capacity development activities to increase awareness,
Development, capacity development,
generation for sanitary facilities. We can see here
sanitary facilities.
in our schools, in each school, wash zone or washing zone are built up by the government of Bangladesh.
Government of Bangladesh.
Wash block. The framework of the strategy in Bangladesh. In order to receive sector goal and accordance with the guiding principle, a set of 17 strategies has been formulated. The strategies are broadly grouped into the following three.
This sector goal and strategy are broadly this.
Sir, hear me? Can you hear me?
Hear me?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes. Please continue.
Okay. I have told you a set of 17 strategies has been formulated. Wash
Yes, yes.
interventions, increasing the coverage and improving the quality of wash interventions. Emerging challenges, addressing the emerging challenges. Sector governance, strengthening sector governance.
Sector governance.
Yes.
Three themes of, you can see three themes of strategy for the water supply and sanitation.
and sanitation.
Yes, yes.
Safe and sustainable water,
Sustainable water,
sanitation,
sanitation,
and hygiene for all. This is three themes of the national.
Yes.
Vast interventions and sector governance. Emerging challenges. Co-improved sanitation. The term was coined by the Joint Monitoring Program JMP for Water Supply and Sanitation of UNICEF and WHO in 2002 to help monitor the progress towards goal number 7 of Millennium Development Goals MDGs. The opposite of improved sanitation has been termed unimproved sanitation in the JMP definition. UNICEF work in Bangladesh for every side. Safer sanitation and hygiene, quality, equitable access and sustainability, access for safe drinking water, quality, equitable access and sustainability. BRAC also work in Bangladesh for every side. BRAC has been running a program called Wash Plant for students in Bangladesh.
Yes.
Sanitation facilities are being provided especially for female students. And this is the end of my slide. I think we shared same things in our presentation. As we are the same region, we Bangladesh, India are same region. So our everything is same.
Yes, yes.
So, sir, I think I have not enough time. If you want to say something, you can continue.
You have also given me a chance, and you also shared more information rather than me. So I would like to say congratulations to you, sir, for giving such a nice presentation of 13th session.
Thank you, sir. Please write something. Please write something our group, as I will not get enough time to write. Okay. So,
After finishing,
okay. At evening or afternoon, I will knock you.
I think afternoon I have no time. At evening,
Okay, okay.
till 27th. Yes, yes. Because
Okay.
I have today our school started.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Okay, goodbye.
Yes, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye.